This is the best treatment to whiten your hands and nourish your skin. The hands we occupy every day in different activities and spend many hours exposed to the sun, so they mistreat and can get spots. This can cause us to be ashamed to show our hands, and if that is your home, then we will recommend a whitening treatment for your hands, which will also help nourish your skin. Best of all is that the ingredients you need are completely natural, so you will not run any risk of side effects. Treatment to whiten your hands and nourish your skin. Suddenly you discover that you do not have enough time to go to the manicure or to perform intensive moisturizing treatments of the skin. We propose you prepare this mixture in the comfort of your house that will quickly and effectively remove stains and give back to your hands the smoothness and the softness they deserve. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon powdered gelatin, 2 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon ground sesame, 1 tablespoon of grapefruit juice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Preparation: place all ingredients in a glass bowl and mix well. When you have obtained a creamy consistency, place the preparation in the microwave and calculate the time to warm just a little. Spread your hands with this mixture and gently massage the palms of the hands, backs and finger to finger. These massages will activate blood circulation, relax your muscles and make the components of all these natural ingredients penetrate your skin. Some nutrients play a role in improving the quality of the skin, while others perform exfoliation to remove stains and dry skin. Let it act for a few seconds and then wash with warm water. Repeat this same treatment at least twice a week. I ask 3